Okay, in order to change out your shift boot, I'll leave a link to the manufacturer I used. They did a good job. This looks pretty much exactly the same. Good stitching. Everything looks nice. But to change it out, you basically need to take the ring, this plastic ring that's on the inside here, and take it off of the old one by getting rid of all of the staples. Just pry the staples out with a small flathead screwdriver and then restaple it. I just used a staple gun that I had, just with some small staples, and then kind of tapped them in with a hammer to make sure they went in all the way. And then once you got it looking like that, all the way around, you can put it in the vehicle. Now this next part's going to be specific to the ECS Tuning Shift Knob. So you push the shift knob through the top like that. You don't have to really concern yourself with if it's up or down right now, because you can turn it later. You push it through, and then you thread this on. Thread it on with the cup part up, the cup part toward the leather, and that means the leather will be allowed to sit inside that cup and not bunch up, and allow it to seat all the way down. Then you push the knob all the way down, and one of the set screws will go into the groove that's in the knob on the left hand side, and then yeah, you thread in these little tiny set screws. Use a little dab of blue thread locker on them and tighten them all the way down. Now this trim ring, you can't see it right here, but it's got a couple of grooves in it. Those go towards the front, and now you just push it straight down into this chrome ring, and make sure you get the leather fed in there all around as you're pushing it down. Then once you get it all pushed down, it'll kind of just have a friction fit in there, and it looks great. It's all done. It might, over time, you might be able to push it down a little bit further as the leather compresses inside this around the edge. You might get a little bit more of be able to push it down a little bit further to make sure it's all the way in there, but it's pretty tight in there.